isn't it? You'll see very soon what we'll be up to here, but look at this view. I mean, seriously. Just look at it. Perfectly horrendous weather to go skiing, but I mean, we're here now, so might as well give it a shot. Finally got some good weather. Hoping that today will be a productive day, unlike some other days here. But yeah, probably gonna go for a walk after this, or I don't know. Just enjoy the nice weather for once, because my god, it's been awful here.
J'ai mal lu, c'est pas une projection. C'est tous les points qu'ils ont fait durant l'année avec la saison précédente et la nouvelle.
Again, tonight's the New Year's Eve with the 31st of December. This marks the end of our trip. We're leaving tomorrow morning. and nothing much is gonna happen apart from us having a good time. We have a few friends over, and yeah, we'll just like take it slowly. I don't think there'll be much else to film, so I'll just call the video here, and I'll see you all next time.